up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today is March 2nd, and today we are going to be doing something a little different. So I ended up going to the store and I ended up going to Michael. I guess you could say my creative juices kind of been kicking in lately. Hopefully enough kicks in so I can finish the painting. I don't know if I showed y'all the painting. I'm gonna show a clip in here somewhere, but they've been flowing and I'm like, I've been shopping around for jewelry lately, and if you know me, I love vintage jewelry, but I also love unique pieces. It doesn't have to be, you know, something vintage, as long as it's unique looking. Don't mind my edges. I'm just over my edges. I'm sorry, I keep looking at them. But I also love unique pieces, like no matter what it is, like especially if it's like a one of one. And the jewelry that I've been looking for, I have not been able to find. So if you can't find something, why not make it yourself, right? So like I said, I ended up going to Michael's. And I got a couple of things. Now, I'm like, if I do this one time, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna want to keep doing it. And I've been telling myself, like, I might as well just start making jewelry. I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell it yet, maybe down the line. But as of now, I just want to make unique pieces for myself. Not that I wouldn't sell it, just like with my paintings, not that I wouldn't sell it. If I make something and it's already made and somebody like, oh, I would like to buy it, of course, but just me making them just to sell, I don't know, that would be a lot on my plate right now. One of the things I ended up buying is this travel kit, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to be making other types. I'm not sure if it's focusing or not. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be making like jewelry more often now that I'm actually doing it, and I've been telling myself I was going to do it for the longest. So I got this little travel kit for jewelry making. It's the toolkit, my bad. Toolkit. And something else I got was, it was just these little things. It's like applique. Is it applique? I guess you could say that. These are gonna be used for my photo shoots. Something creative that I thought about doing as soon as I saw it. I'm like, oh, well, maybe I could put this on my eyes or on my eyelids, or like, I'm not sure if it's, why it's not focusing. But anyway, it's like little flowers, and like I said, maybe put them on my eyelids while I'm doing a shoot, or incorporate it some type of creative way. Something else I bought was, of course, these, and I need these, the bead landings to make for the jewelry to connect the stuff. Okay, this not focusing, it's starting to get on my nerves. I'm not sure if y'all can even see. Can y'all see it? There we go. I think that's better. Something else I got is this. I bought two of these because these are just really pretty. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them yet though. Not sure what I'm gonna do with them yet. But these are really pretty and they caught my eyes. Now, somebody suggested on my TikTok that I make it into a bracelet, which it will be really cute as a bracelet. I could try to turn it into a ring, maybe some earrings, but the only thing about making them into earrings is I'm scared that it's gonna be heavy, because I don't know if you can hear it. These kind of heavy. Maybe I should use like one or two, but 4 stand out to me, but I don't know if I'm gonna be wanting it to pull on my earlobe. I don't know, we'll have to see. Or I can make it into a choker, maybe. Choker, no, yes, no. This could be a choker. I don't know. Whatever I decide to do with it, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna record it anyways, but I like it as a lot of things. I might have to go back and get some more, because I know I probably won't switch it up or not just choose for it to be one thing. But the main thing I went enough for were these. Now, this is what I'm gonna be making today on today's video. I bought these little octopus, this octopus chain, I guess that's what you could call it. This little octopus chain, and I'm not sure if you can see the detailing in it. This focus is killing me, y'all. It's killing me. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it into a choker. So it's gonna be like this. It's getting on my nerves. It's really fun to agitate me. But anyway, like I said, I bought 2 of them, so it should be more than enough. It should be more than enough to fit around my neck. I don't have a big neck, so that should be just enough. But like I said, it's gonna be a choker, and in the back it's gonna have this clip to it. Now I have 3 of these, so imagine the choker, like I said, around my neck, and in the back of it I'm gonna connect these, and it's gonna be one long chain draping down my back basically. And these I thought were cute and perfect to go with it because it's like these that are octopus and these are some iridescent seashells. So it gives it like this, I don't know, unique sea type of theme. Still can't see it. I don't know what's going on with my focus, y'all. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be making in a video today, and we're gonna see how it comes out. Now, I even went and bought a dress that I felt like would be cute to go with it. Should I show the dress? Hold on, I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna show it. One sec. This dress actually drapes in the front. It's from Forever 21 and the back is actually crossed. Now, I wanted my dress to be draped in the back so that way when the chain hangs, it's like, you know, top tier. But this is the closest thing I found, and the dress that I'm looking for I can't find, so you guessed it right, I'm gonna be making it. Not sure when, but I'm gonna be making it soon, whenever I get the time, because I've been having a lot of stuff to do. It's a real long dress. It don't have no slits in it, which I feel like it would have been cute if it had slits in it. I ain't even tried it on yet, so hopefully, I'm talking about this dress, hopefully I still end up using this one because I don't even know how it fit. I just got it because I thought it was cute, and it would look cute with the necklace I'm about to make. But like I said, it drapes in the front and it's crisscross in the back, and it's extremely long. So I'm about to start on this video and we'll see how it comes out. Hopefully, I think I'm just tripping. Then again, that light is in my eyes, so I can't see if I'm blurry. I don't know, y'all. This video about to be a mess. That's what I'm doing in the video today. I'm gonna charge my camera up for a little bit and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna make the piece and see how it comes out. Hopefully it comes out pretty. It comes out how I imagined it. So yeah, let me charge this camera and I'm gonna get to the video.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your words so